She bullies her parents, by the way, for all this Rishta talk. We're planning to do a video where we go through the street food of Dehradun. I think that'll be a lot of fun. Yo, I'm stepping out for a coffee, and there's a new cafe in Dehradun. So let's see how that is. Been a while since I actually stepped out. Going with a friend, and the cafe really looked vibey. God. Just a moment. I have dropped the car keys. So this is what's happened to the key. Because I have so many things on me all the time. पर ये हो जाएगी. Hopefully lock नहीं टूटा इसका. अगर टूट गया तो बड़ा कमज़ोर है. ठीक है. I think एक साइड से टूटा है but कोई बात नहीं. अब चलते हैं कॉफ़ी पे. चश्मे भी टेढ़े हो रखे हैं. I need to fix that. More than me, I think you would enjoy seeing the car. I would enjoy seeing the car. I really like how the car looks. Okay, so many things.
Good to see you again, Karan Gulati.
To see you, Biba. First impressions when I sit in the car, very happy. मीटिंग नहीं है, मैं कॉफ़ी पीने जा रहा हूँ युक्ति के साथ डालन बलबीर रोड. और डिनर पे चलना है रात को?
चल देंगे, आ जाओ.
ठीक है, okay, bye. Alright, so might go for dinner with La Familia. It's a Saturday. All morning I was pretty much working. So Saturday morning, all of it I was working pretty much. But now I get to relax, and Sunday is also relaxing. Another thing, I have to prepare the speech for Chandigarh. So I'm basically going to Chandigarh on 10th for a speech. Speech is on 11th, but I have to prepare the speech, right? So that needs to get done. बस वो prepare करूँगा कल within, because दिमाग खाली होना बहुत ज़रूरी है ऐसी speech लिखने के लिए, right? It's gonna get done. 18 minutes की है. 18 minutes तो I can manage very easily. Honestly, if I start speaking right now, I can manage 18 minutes, but I want to provide a lot of value because it's going to be students and people who look up to me. तो देखते हैं कैसा होता है. चलो अब चलते हैं कॉफ़ी पीने. No patience, man. No patience at all. I got late because I was doing getting a walk done with the babies.
Great. Do you know where we're going?
What's it called?
Bhutan.
Huh?
Bhutan.
Bhutan. Oh, Bhutan का मतलब क्या होता है? That's
And
crazy.
it's inside the owner's house, basically.
But that's why it's so vibey. Yeah. Bhutan. We're headed to Bhutan. I hope there's natural light still by the time we reach.
Yeah, it doesn't get dark now.
6:30 तक होता है ना dark. So yeah, how's Rishta hunting going?
There's no hunting.
What do you mean there's no hunting?
I mean, there was just one guy जिसको मैंने इतना बुरा करा. तो मैंने यही बोला यार कि I think it's better we meet in person and then talk. मुझे नहीं करनी भाई WhatsApp पे बातें. मैं क्यों करूँ?
Yeah, that makes total sense.
Yeah,
that's reasonable.
like,
and this is the traffic situation in Didun. What would you say traffic in Didun is like?
Really bad.
Yeah, it's terrible now. ये क्या होगा यार 5 साल बाद when everything keeps developing more and more बुरे हाल हो जाएंगे यार शहर के. Going from our house to
there are no trees.
There are no trees, and going from our house to Rajpur Road feels like going from one part of Delhi to another. Weekend पे तो भाई हम निकलने का सोच भी नहीं सकते. No, last time you paid.
Where?
Where did we meet last time?
Stop keeping track of these things. Why are you so banya, Karan?
Bro, Banyas will get offended.
Beep it. Okay? Beep it.
Oh, beep it. I thought you're asking them to be fitter because I'm like, एक और चीज कह रही है about them that they're not fit.
That's you. I don't body shame.
Yeah, neither do I. Neither do I. We love them all. We love chubby girls.
Body shame a lot. Don't talk shit.
So here we are. This is the nicer part of Dehradun. Would you say this is the nicer part? Isn't this? सड़कें देख. हमारे घर के आसपास सड़कें देख. Walk भी नहीं कर सकते. Yeah.
Yeah. This is the parking.
Doesn't seem like there's parking.
कैसे लगाई ये लोगों ने? ऐसे लगाई है.
यहाँ लगा देते हैं सामने. ये तो parking zone है ना. ये सारा. No, are you crazy? The car won't fit. I forgot my wallet, but I'm like, चल UPI कर दूँगा. Looking good.
So confident. Go check.
Yo, looks pretty nice. Okay, this is the residence. Brilliant. Nice.
Lounge sort of area.
That's pretty nice.
Pretty cool, no? The stairs and all.
Well, if they make their own breads, then we certainly should take some home. Cheers, boys and girls, to health, wealth, happiness.
Did you drink?
देखो जी, इतनी सोनी light भी लेके आए ने. Let us go, son. Hey Siri, what is a cortado? Cortado.
Equal quantity. But it's very less in quantity.
Siri's like, should I use ChatGPT? Like, bro, do some job yourself also. Yo, can you tell me what a cortado is? Yeah, I don't experiment with my menu a lot. I have the same thing everywhere all the time. Can you tell me what a cortado is? I'm referring to a coffee. It's a coffee equal parts espresso and warm milk. The milk cuts the intensity and acidity of the espresso without making the drink too milky. The name comes from the Spanish cortar, which means to cut. The milk cuts the espresso. It has a strong espresso taste and less acidic. Flat white has 2 shots of espresso. Which is a stronger drink, flat white or cortado?
So क्या बोला? I was right?
Yeah, so it has equal parts steamed milk and espresso. It's a very nice balanced espresso. Cortado has a stronger taste. Flat white has stronger caffeine. That's bloody insane. I had no idea. Let's do it, sir.
What are you ordering? Flat white.
Cortado. All thanks to you.
You give me credits, okay?
I will. You'll be on the vlog.
Thank you.
Yeah. We'll have 2 cortados itself.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Anything to eat?
Or
Are you feeling hungry?
not really.
Fair.
Is there anything very light to
The grilled
munch?
cheese. That's gonna be intense. I think like
Do you recommend a muffin?
they're made to order. These are all takeaway.
These are all takeaway.
Yes.
Chalo, we'll just do the coffee
Sounds
then.
good. 2 cortados.
Hanji.
We're currently serving green in the state. Western Ghats medium roast.
ऊपर भी नहीं देख रहा है ओनर है It's good lighting, bro. You should see my face in it. The man is shining. You have to come see. Come sit this side.
You can see it in this screen also.
Yeah. Check this out. Looks pretty good, na? Angle खराब कर दिया. It's okay. Shot पूरा mess up हो गया.
Retake.
मैंने अपनी popularity का कभी फायदा नहीं उठाया. It's actually a good coffee.
You're welcome.
Excellent. 3 cookies है, तीनों ही बहुत गंदी हैं.
Oh my god.
But the coffee is nice. I
I
like.
haven't even tried Tino cookies.
चल तीसरी ट्राई कर लेते हैं मैडम यार.
Eat the whole thing. Better than the 2.
ठीक ठाक. But in a city like Dehradun, which basically has grown up on bakery, this is behuda.
I would like to say that these people are very new in this, so please.
I'm being harsh.
ज़्यादा ही Zomato नौशेर आ गए.
वो काफ़ी अच्छी है. नोएडा में कैसा सीन है कैफेज का? वो कहाँ बैठी थी when you...
That's Colloquial. Colloquial is there, so yeah.
It's in Noida? जहाँ धूप आ रही थी.
It's also.
That looked
it's also
vibey.
in Noida.
Co-local.
You've been to Colloquial, right?
I've never
it's
even
in Khan
heard.
Market, it's in
Never
Dhanmil
even-
also.
I've never even heard also.
What are you saying there?
And Dhanmil though I've never been also. It's too expensive. I don't go to such places.
But it's in.
I don't go to places जहाँ जाते ही 5,000 6,000 का बिल आ जाए. You know, I mean, if I had a lot of black money, I would go. Just saying.
I don't have black money.
Coffee is a big reason to head out, bro.
But you don't head out daily, right?
I don't head out, but what I'll do is Tavasa. We met at Tavasa, na? जब मेरे पापा भी थे.
Give your honest review on the coffee.
Honest coffee review. We have to switch the mic on. For an honest coffee review, we would say it's very nice. But I haven't had a lot of cortados in life now. For a first, it's really good. I like that it's strong. I do like strong stuff. I don't like milky stuff. This is perfect for a pre-workout coffee, I'd say. But it's also the vibes because I'm in such august company.
Thank you.
Did you see my... Yeah, it was very nice. Yes. Did you see my story today? Is Liverpool a country? So you mean I live in a continent?
Oh, that.
I'm like, where can I find such friends? Love it. Okay, give your closing remarks about this place.
Oh, I do absolutely like it.
Yeah? Next Rishta meeting you'll do here? No? Kyun?
Why should I get somebody here?
Where else? You'll take them to a 5-star.
I'm not meeting any guy. Rishta.
She bullies her parents, by the way, for all this rishta talk. जिन्होंने पाला पोसा.
इससे views आ जाएंगे. Good content. Good strategy.
जिन्होंने बड़ा किया, आप उनको बुली कर रहे हो शादी के लिए. उन्हें स्ट्रेस दे रहे हो इस उम्र में. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this. We had a ball of a time chilling. And we're planning to do a video where we go through the street food of Dehradun. I think that'll be a lot of fun. Because she knows a few places for Momo, Bun Tikki, a new place. Yeah, I think it'll be a lot of fun. Then we'll do like a burger place, which is street food. And we have to do chaat also.
But there's no chaat place. But we'll figure it out. There are many chaat places actually.
We have to do an aloo puri place.
I don't know about that, but
Paltan Bazaar mein hai. But I'll give you an honest opinion because I will be brutally honest. I won't be like one of those vloggers, be like, ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, मजे आ जाएंगे and all of that. If it's bad, I'll tell you it's bad. Okay.
Done deal.
See you all. Thank you for joining and let us hope कि इस साल
If you say anything on this vlog, let us
चलो. Okay, bye. वरना मार पड़ेगी मुझे. Bye bye.
Bye.